What are the symptoms of a failing fuel pump in a car? A failing fuel pump in your car can lead to various symptoms, all of which can impact the vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and reliability. The fuel pump is a critical component of the fuel delivery system, responsible for supplying a consistent flow of fuel from the gas tank to the engine. When the fuel pump begins to fail, it can cause a range of issues that require attention. In this video, we'll explore the common symptoms of a failing fuel pump and what you should do if you encounter them. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Engine sputtering at high speeds. One of the earliest signs of a failing fuel pump is engine sputtering, especially when driving at high speeds or under heavy load. This occurs because the fuel pump struggles to maintain adequate fuel pressure, causing intermittent fuel delivery to the engine. As a result, you may experience a jerky or uneven acceleration. 2. Loss of power under load. A failing fuel pump can cause your vehicle to lose power when you attempt to accelerate or drive uphill. This symptom is particularly noticeable when you demand more fuel from the engine, such as during passing maneuvers or while towing a trailer. It occurs because the weakening fuel pump can't deliver enough fuel to meet the engine's demands. 3. Engine stalling and difficulty starting. A fuel pump nearing the end of its lifespan may lead to engine stalling, particularly when idling or coming to a stop. In severe cases, the engine may stall while driving. Additionally, a failing fuel pump can make it more challenging to start your car, as it struggles to supply the necessary fuel pressure for smooth ignition. 4. Rough idling. If your vehicle's engine idles roughly or inconsistently, it may be due to an erratic fuel supply caused by a failing fuel pump. You may notice the engine stumbling or hesitating during idle, which can result in an unstable and uncomfortable driving experience. 5. Engine misfires. Misfires occur when the engine's combustion process is disrupted, leading to a loss of power and potential damage to the engine. A failing fuel pump can contribute to misfires by delivering insufficient fuel, causing the engine to run lean. 6. Poor fuel efficiency. A decrease in fuel efficiency is often a consequence of a failing fuel pump. When the pump doesn't deliver a consistent flow of fuel, the engine may compensate by running less efficiently, ultimately reducing your miles per gallon (mpg). 7. Unusual noise from the fuel tank. A failing fuel pump can produce unusual noises, which are often described as a whining, humming, or buzzing sound coming from the area around the fuel tank. These noises typically become more pronounced as you accelerate or when the fuel tank is low. 8. Check engine light (CEL) illumination. A failing fuel pump can trigger the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to illuminate the check engine light (CEL). The CEL can indicate a range of issues, including fuel system problems related to the fuel pump. 9. Vapor lock and hard starting in hot weather. Vapor lock occurs when the fuel in the fuel lines becomes vaporized due to high temperatures. A failing fuel pump may exacerbate this issue, making it challenging to start your vehicle in hot weather conditions. 10. Complete engine failure. In extreme cases, a severely failing fuel pump can lead to complete engine failure. This occurs when the pump ceases to function altogether, causing the engine to receive no fuel. If you suspect a total fuel pump failure, it's essential to address the issue promptly to prevent engine damage. What to do if you suspect a failing fuel pump? If you experience any of the symptoms mentioned above or suspect a failing fuel pump, here are the steps to take. Confirm the symptoms. Pay attention to the symptoms your vehicle exhibits, and take note of when and how they occur. This information can be valuable for diagnosing the issue. Check the check engine light. If the check engine light (CEL) is illuminated, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs). These codes can provide insight into the specific problem with the fuel system. Inspect the fuel pump relay. The fuel pump relay controls the power supply to the fuel pump. A faulty relay can mimic the symptoms of a failing fuel pump. Check the relay for signs of damage or replace it as a precaution. Test fuel pressure. A fuel pressure test can help diagnose a failing fuel pump. A qualified mechanic can use a pressure gauge to measure the fuel pressure at various engine operating conditions. Inspect fuel filters and lines. Clogged or restricted fuel filters can lead to similar symptoms as a failing fuel pump. Ensure that the fuel filters and fuel lines are free from obstructions. Seek professional diagnosis. If you're unable to identify the problem or suspect a failing fuel pump, consult a qualified mechanic or automotive technician. They can perform a comprehensive inspection, including a fuel pressure test, to confirm the issue. Replace the fuel pump. If a failing fuel pump is confirmed as the problem, it should be replaced with a new or high-quality replacement pump. Ensure that the replacement pump is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Address other related issues. It's important to address any additional problems that may have arisen due to the failing fuel pump, such as engine misfires or damage to the fuel system components. In conclusion, a failing fuel pump can manifest through various symptoms, including engine sputtering, loss of power, stalling, rough idling, and poor fuel efficiency. If you suspect a failing fuel pump, it's crucial to diagnose and address the issue promptly to ensure your vehicle's performance and reliability. Consult a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection and necessary repairs to the fuel system. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the fuel pump can help prevent such issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.